Across the blood-soaked borders, dreams still walked barefoot. In silence, a nation wept and rose. From the cries of mothers to the march of the barefooted, a nation was born through ashes and pain, torn from the womb of a divided past, yet carried by hope in the hearts that remain. Azadi ke liye khoon baha, roone ki pukar. We rose as one beneath the crescent moon, bearing scars that bled beneath the stars. Our land, our voice, reborn through storm. In every tear, the promise of tomorrows. Trains filled with silence, stories left untold. Children without names, hands turned cold. Yet from that night, we carved a flame and wrote Pakistan into history's name. La ke badle chaman mila, watan mila. The green rose strong through rivers red, where serenity had once forgotten tread. Jive, jive, from shattered past, a nation stands, its people forged by hope and hands. Though torn by fire, by fate denied, we walk as one, with hearts of pride. A land of prayers, of mountains wide, where freedom breathes and dreams reside.